All right, so I have this box of toner right here. This is what we use in our Brother laser printer. Comes with all 4 colors: magenta, yellow, cyan, and black. So it's a great replacement for all of your toner. You can just use one as needed as each one runs out. And the yellow in our printer just went out, so I'm gonna put one of these in. Here on the side, it shows all the compatible cartridges and printers. And on this side, it says superior quality, excellent reliability, and I definitely agree. And you can open it up and pull out the toner that you need. Each one is labeled, so you can see right there, this one has a dot on it for yellow. That's the one that I need. And it's packaged well. It's got the styrofoam on it to protect the ends. So we're gonna take that off and take it out of the plastic. This is what it looks like. Has this plastic cover in there to protect the roller. Tells you right there that it's yellow and compatible with that cartridge number. So let's put it in and test it out. Here's our Brother printer. Just gonna open it up with that button. Pull this out here. And you can see that we've been using these for a while. They just work great. So here's the old one. Just gonna lift it up and pull it out. And here's the new one. Gonna take that off and slide it in right where the old one was. Easy peasy. Just gonna do a test print real quick to see how it looks. So yeah, all the colors are exactly what they should be. Looks good, good color. I recommend it. There's a link in the description. If you order through that, I get a small commission. I would greatly appreciate it.